something that's really easy to install, and a cool thing to track your car information and also remove check engine lights or whatever, monitor them if you do have one. So let's get this bad boy installed. The TrackPal, you can check in the link description if you want to get an OBDII reader like this. It does work with the Android or Apple iOS. So here you go. Got your user guide, which I don't really need to take a look at right now. And then the OBDII port itself, the Bluetooth. Just plug it in and you should be set. Hard to see, but there's an OBDII port right here. Right now my COB access port's plugged into it. Oop. So I can unplug it and unplug. Just plug it into this little port, like so. And that's it. Turn the car on. Ignore these little wires from my COB access port and ignore the little chime, but you can press a little button right here once you plug it in and you have your car on, and it'll show a bunch of metrics. Several OBDII apps you can download. I'm gonna use the Torque App Pro, so I'm just gonna download it from the Google Play Store. Now you can download a bunch of apps. I'm gonna have one of them listed right here, so if you want to check out other apps, you can try it out. Torque Pro is the one that I prefer. I use it a lot. I'm very familiar with it, but there's a bunch of other OBDII ones, whether it's for your Android or your Apple iOS. So we're just letting it download, and the whole point of the OBDII is basically get information from, but you're just like, how does it get information to your phone or an Android head unit? Well, we're going to use it through Bluetooth, and that's how we're going to connect the two devices, so that way they can get information and have it sent and received from each other. So we'll let it install. So we opened it up, but it's telling us to hook it through Bluetooth. So go to your settings and pair both devices together. To pair it with this one, you can go in settings. So I'm in the Bluetooth settings, and I basically hit refresh to scan the area. OBDII is right here, so I'm gonna connect to it. So it's connected both through my phone and the OBDII. Awesome. Next thing we need to do is go to the Torque app. Let's see if it's picking up any information. Looks like it is paired, but it's just not set up. So under profile name, we're gonna put Rex or WRX. It's a 2.0 turbo. I went to the settings earlier, and now I changed it to pounds and pretty much all that goodness that is America of the USA. So I'm gonna just put in my weight of the car, which is, so I just closed the app and reopened it, make sure everything's dialed in, went to the adapter status information, and everything says it's good to go. I'll check. So let's start the car. Shows my RPM, shows some acceleration data, vacuum, coolant information. Here's revs, and you can customize things the way you like. Everything was pretty much plug and play. Plugged it in, paired it. I specifically put in some information about my car. That's to really to show horsepower and other stuff like that. So let's see some revs. So you can see the revs are going up and other information like that. Now the Torque app has a bunch of informations, like you can see any fault codes with your car. Let's see if there's any fault codes with my car. I don't have any check engine lights or anything, so this would be pretty surprising if I had any faulty codes. So that does take a while. So it's at 100%. It said 0 fault codes. Excellent. That means my car is doing Gucci. There's other graphs, just a bunch of information. So if you guys want to dive down to the OBDII ports and look at more in the Torque app, let me know. Here are some other apps you can download for iOS. Here's the OBDII port from Trek Pro. Links in the description below if you want to get it. It's a really nice tool, and there's a lot of powerful apps on your Android or iOS that can really wake up your car and have some cool information displayed, like quarter mile, how fast you can run, 0 to 60 times, and a bunch of other metrics that, hey, you might want to check out. So if you're interested, you should pick us one like this, whether it's a OBDII port that has a on and off switch, which is nice because some people report that sometimes it drains the batteries, but if you have something like this, you will have no issues. Now, that concludes it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.